Find the slope. Find the slope. Remember, m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. In other words, I call it flip it and smack it. We rub it down on distance. Okay? So, flip it and smack it. Flip it. That's just going like this. I'm just putting the 2 over the 1. I'm just putting the 7 over the 3. Smack it. Right, Wyatt? Yeah. Okay? So we got 2 minus 7. I have minus 5. 1 minus 3. Minus 2. Minus makes a plus. I got 5 halves. That's m. And I'm done. Okay? Easy. But how do I do this? Same thing. Flip it. T over 0. 4 over 9. Smack it. What's it equal? It equals m. But what is m in this case? It's 2. Okay? So you have t minus 4 over negative 9 equals 2. So multiply both sides by 9 or just cross multiply. Boom. Right? This is a 1. That doesn't do anything. T minus 4 equals negative 18. Add 4. T equals 22. Done. Nice. 9. Let's go backwards a little bit. 9. What is it? What's on top? What's on top, Norman? Which one? 0.
0 and minus 2 over 1/4 minus 3/4.
That's it. Okay, so I have negative 2 over, what's 1/4 minus 3/4? Negative 1/2. Okay? In other words, he said negative 2/4, right? He broke it down. Because this is Precal. Alright, when I divide by a fraction, what do? Multiply by the reciprocal. Yeah, you flip it and you multiply, right? So I've got negative 2 over 1 times negative 2, which is negative 4 or positive 4? Positive 4. So my slope is 4. Okay? Now how am I going to do that with this guy? Right? Running out of space now. Let's flip it. What goes on top? Wyatt. What's on top? T1 or 5? You got a 50-50 chance. Yes. 5 over t plus 1. Okay? And then what's on top? Negative 3t plus 7 or 6? Eric.
What?
What's on top? Negative 3t plus 7 or 6?
Negative 3t plus 7.
That's right. Negative 3t plus 7. That's on top. On bottom is 6. Now, why am I putting the parentheses there?
Oh my God.
Why am I putting the parentheses there? Because when you smack it, what happens? Smack, smack. Alright? And this equals 2. Now everybody on the block's got to get the paper. That means this changes both of these signs. So I have 5 plus 3t minus 7. And I have t plus 1 minus 6. Alright, let's collect like terms. So that's this and this. So that would be 3t minus 2. And then these two terms, I get over t minus 5. And this equals 2, right? And so now, I need space, right? Because this is Precal. This doesn't just get done. You gotta follow. And if you don't, you get lost real quick. 3t minus 2. T minus 5, right? All I do is rewrite it and go with it. So what do I do, Dante? Well, that's, you gotta know. Wyatt, what do I do?
Flip it.
No. Rosie,
You subtract 1t, 3t.
can't do that. Guys, I just taught this to Algebra 1 today. You guys have to know this. What do you do? Multiply it. Which way? Remember, this is a fraction right here. We're cross multiplying. We're cross multiplying. And so I'm taking 2 times t minus 5 is equal to 1 times 3t minus 2. So I get, everybody on the block gets a paper. 2t minus 10 is equal to 3t minus 2. So now what do I do? You've got to move your lowest t, right? Subtract 2t. So negative 10 equals t minus 2. Then what?
1.
Add 2. Negative 8 equals t. That's it. That's it. This stuff